Hi, I'm Adam Silver, and this is Duck Done Easy for catering, and this is my duck green curry. But this is one of the most versatile dishes for the Duck Maryland, because not only you can do green, you can do red curry, you can do yellow curry, musselin curry, it's endless. So for the most important part is cooking the Duck Marylands in coconut. So marinating them and braising them, and then adding your curry sauce to the duck leg. And that way you can do it for 10 people or 1,000 people, and it keeps everything consistent, the sauce and the way that the duck is cooked. So let's start cooking. So I've got some, pre-made green curry paste, fry it off until it's aromatic and cook the rawness out of that paste. And then now we're gonna add some sugar and let that caramelize. Then we're gonna add some stock, just a bit, just to loosen the paste. And then we're gonna add coconut milk, because that is just much lighter. And then a touch of coconut cream. And then we're gonna season it with some fish sauce, because that gives it a nice saltiness to it. And then add some oyster sauce, because oyster sauce makes everything taste amazing. Simmer that, get it to the right consistency. It's smelling amazing. Have a taste. You know what, you might like it hotter, you might like it milder. You can throw a bit of Thai basil in now. You can throw some lime leaf in there now. Look, you can even throw more chilies in it. I like mine spicy, so I'm gonna throw some more chilies in later. So you have a beautiful curry sauce, just smell it. Smells of Thailand. I love Thai curries. So here we go. So we've got some beautiful broccolini, got some jasmine rice also, and then our coconut braised duck leg. Just as good by itself as it is, but it's even better with a green curry sauce. Put that there like that. And then we've got our beautiful aromatic sauce. Finish it with some Thai basil, some coriander, some crispy shallots. Look at that, just smells beautiful. It just complements the Duck Maryland, amazing. And there you have it, just a simple, tasty, beautiful green curry of duck.